Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful new VPN solution that will revolutionize your online browsing experience. Chizz VPN Tunnel is a feature-rich VPN service that offers fast, dedicated servers and supports multiple protocols for unlimited and secure browsing. To begin, open any web browser on your device. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in SSLT Tunnel and press enter to search for the official website. This is where we'll be downloading the Chizz VPN Tunnel application. From the search results that appear, look for the official SSL Tunnel website. It should be among the top results. Tap on the official website link and you will be redirected to the homepage. Make sure you're accessing the legitimate website to ensure you're downloading the authentic application and not a potentially harmful clone. Once you arrive on the homepage, locate and tap on the menu icon. This is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots in the upper corner of the website. When you tap on this icon, a list of menu options will appear on your screen. From this list of menus, find and tap on the option labeled Free VPN. This will take you to the VPN download section where you can access the Chizz VPN Tunnel. On the VPN page, you will see several different VPN options available for download. Look through the list and locate Chizz VPN Tunnel. Once you've found it, tap on it to proceed to the download page. This VPN is specifically designed to provide fast connections and robust security features. Now you'll see an install button on the screen. Tap on this install button to begin downloading the Chizz VPN Tunnel application to your device. The download and installation process will take a few minutes depending on your internet connection speed, so please be patient and wait for it to complete. Do not close the browser or navigate away from the page during this time. Once the Chizz VPN Tunnel has been successfully installed on your device, you will see an Open button appear where the Install button was previously located. Tap on this Open button to launch the VPN application for the first time. This will initialize the app and take you to its main interface. When the VPN launches for the first time, you will be redirected to the home screen of Chizz VPN Tunnel. At this point, the application may ask for your permission to send notifications. You can choose to allow notifications if you want to receive updates about your connection status, or you can cancel this request if you prefer not to receive notifications. This choice is entirely up to your personal preference. Once you're on the home screen, make sure you have an active internet connection. The VPN needs data to load and update its server list. When you first open the app, it will automatically update the servers to ensure you have access to the latest and fastest connections available. During this update process, the VPN may restart automatically. This is completely normal, so just wait a few seconds for the update to complete and the app to stabilize. Now let me explain the main features of this VPN. Chizz VPN Tunnel has a user-friendly interface divided into 2 main sections. The first section is dedicated to server selection, where you can choose from various server locations around the world. The second section is for selecting protocols, which determines how your VPN connection is established and encrypted. Understanding these 2 sections is key to optimizing your VPN experience. To select a server for your connection, tap on the server section located on the home screen. This will display a comprehensive list of different server locations from various countries and regions. Scroll through the list and select any server you want to use based on your needs. For example, if you want to access content from a specific region, choose a server from that location. The great thing about this VPN is that you can change servers whenever you want, giving you complete flexibility. After selecting your preferred server, you can now choose a protocol from the available options. Tap on the Tweaks button, which will display a list of different tweaks and protocol options. Chizz VPN Tunnel comes with built-in protocols that are optimized for different use cases. Scroll down through the list and examine the various options available. Choose any protocol that works best for your specific needs, whether that's maximum speed, enhanced security, or bypassing restrictions. When selecting your method, you have 2 main options: built-in protocols or custom settings. If you choose to use custom settings, You can personalize your configuration by setting a custom name for your tweak, selecting a specific protocol type, and entering an SNI if you want to use SSL connections. You can also experiment with other advanced settings to fine-tune your connection. Once you've configured everything according to your preferences, return to the home screen where you will see a large Start button. Tap on this button to establish your VPN connection. The VPN will connect within just a few seconds, and you'll be browsing securely and anonymously. That's it. You now have a fully functional VPN that provides secure, unlimited browsing with fast servers and multiple protocol options.